Okay, today we're going to talk about roaches. I know that's no fun. I know some of you are saying, oh my gosh, I'd never have them. But you know, usually one strolls into our life at some time or another. So this is what you want to do. You want to create a little feast for them and then give them the KO punch and kill them. And it's easy to do. What we're going to do is we're going to take 1/4 cup of borax. Now, buy this in the laundry additive aisle at the grocery store. We're going to take 1/4 cup of cornmeal. And to that, we will add 1/4 cup of flour. And then I always add about a tablespoon of powdered sugar because let's face it, we all have a sweet tooth, even bugs. So you're going to stir this together and just mix it up well because the foods attract them. The borax kills them. Then we're going to put it in dark places in the house. Places like under the sink, in corners, back by the washer, the dryer, near the stove, wherever you might see a roach. Now I want to give you an extra tip today too. If you don't want to make it this way, you can do it this way. You can take 2 tablespoons of boric acid. Now look for this in health food stores, drug stores, and online. You'll then take a tablespoon of non-dairy creamer, the powdered kind, and a tablespoon of powdered sugar, because you gotta attract those roaches to kill them. Mix it up and do exactly the same thing with them. But I want to caution you one thing. Please be sure you're labeling your container. You don't want to look in and think this is some kind of flour concoction. You want to know that this is roach control. So hopefully you'll never have to use it, but if you do, here you are, roach control, simple and easy. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.